Today we are starting with the third plant disease, and that is bacterial blight of pomegranate. Towards the introduction of the disease, the bacterial blight of pomegranate was first time reported in 1952 in India, Delhi by Hingorani and Mehta. The pomegranate, the scientific name is Punica granatum. It is an important fruit crop native to Iran. It is most devastating disease. What is meant by devastating now? Most damaging and disease causing is known as devastating disease. Okay, most harmful, destructive disease. The states of India include Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, and into the Maharashtra major districts which are affected by this specific blight disease are Sangli, Solapur, Usmanabad, Pune, Nashik, Latur, Aurangabad, Jalna, Chitradurga, Bijapur, and main blight affected district in Maharashtra as well as Bijapur, which is included into the Karnataka. Causative agent of this organism is Xanthomonas oxynopodis PV. Punica is a causative agent of blight disease of pomegranate, and it is gram negative rod-shaped organism under microscope. Pomegranate is being claimed as only host for the organism. This Xanthomonas oxynopodis PV punica, this organism has only one host to cause a disease, and that is pomegranate. Symptoms: pathogen attacks all the above parts of the plant, including the fruit splittings that result in a huge yield and market losses. Initially, symptoms appears as soaked, water-soaked, translucent, irregular to circular, small black spots of 2 to 5 mm on leaves. Initially, what happens? Small water-soaked, translucent lesions, circular black spots occur onto the leaves, and then gradually later on what happens? The center of the spot becomes necrotic and turn dark brown with a permanent water-soaked margins. As you can see here in this figures, the permanent water-soaked margins are occurred on fruit also. In severe cases, spots coalesce and produce a large patch that may result in shading of infected leaves. Coalesce means what? 2-3 spots come together to form one coalesce, means a huge spot occurs, and due to what happens, shading of infected leaves takes place. Now on stem, brown and black spots develop around stem nodules. These symptoms occur on leaves. I have shown here the symptoms which are occurred on fruits, and now we are going to study the symptoms which are occurring onto the stem. Brown to black spots develop around stem nodules which result in breaking of affected branches. ब्राउन ब्लॅक कलरचे स्पॉट येतात आणि नोड्यूल्सवर येतात, आणि त्याच्यामुळे काय होतं आहे? ब्रांचेस काय होतात? ब्रेकिंग ऑफ अफेक्टेड ब्रांचेस होतात. Later on, fruit also infected with water-soaked spots. In the earlier stage, latter become dark brown, slightly raised from the surface with an oily appearance. Already you have seen here, slightly they have been up from the fruit and they have the oily appearance. Now towards the spread of the disease, Xanthomonas oxynopodis PV punica causing leaf spot of the pomegranate infect throughout. आता लीफला इन्फेक्ट करते म्हटल्यानंतर स्प्रेड कुठून होणार? ऑब्वियसली फ्रॉम द स्टोमॅटल ओपनिंग विच आर प्रेझेंट ऑन द लीफ अँड कॉज वॉटर सोक लेशन विच लॅटर डेव्हलप्स इंटू इरेग्युलर स्मॉल स्पॉट ऑफ 2 to 5 mm लेंथ. लीफला कॉज कसं करणार? स्टोमॅटल ओपनिंगमधून ऑर्गॅनिझम जाऊन तिथं लीफ स्पॉट कॉज करते. ऑर्गॅनिझम ऑल्सो स्प्रेड बाय एअरबॉर्न रूट, कुड सर्वाइव इन सॉइल फॉर 4 months and cause fresh infection of new splash. Okay, this can live into the soil also and cause latter infection to the new growing trees also. Increase in the disease occurs by increase in temperature, that is 38 degrees Celsius, and low relative humidity, that is 30%, along with cloudy weather and irregular rainfall favors disease initiation and further spread of disease. ह्युमिडिटी ज्या वेळेला टेम्परेचर 38 डिग्रीच्या बियॉन्ड जाईल आणि ह्युमिडिटी 40% आणि क्लाउडी वेदर विथ रेनफॉल होईल त्यावेळेला ह्या डिसीजचं स्प्रेड जास्त होणार आहे थ्रू द वॉटर थ्रू स्प्लॅशिंग अँड स्पॅटरिंग ऑफ द वॉटर causes the spread of disease. Pathogen can survive in infected leaves as well as stem and fruit also. Wind splash, rain, insect and contaminated burning tools help in spread of diseases. आता स्प्रेड ऑफ डिसीज आताच सांगितलं विंड स्प्लॅश रेन बाय स्प्लॅशिंग अँड स्पॅटरिंग ऑफ द रेन ड्रॉप्स थ्रू वन लीफ टू अनादर लीफ थ्रू वन स्टेम टू अनादर स्टेम can cause spread of disease through the insect which travel from the one plant to another plant, one leaf to another leaf. They also carry the organism and contaminated tools which we use during the farming. They also cause the spread of disease. Now towards the last point, that is prevention and control of disease. How we can control and prevent the disease? Streptocycline, streptomycin sulfate 500 part per million in combination with copper oxochloride, that is 0.2%, followed by bronopol 2-bromo 2-nitrochrome 1,3-diol 500 ppm and copper oxychloride 0.2% were found to effective in the management of bacterial blight of pomegranate. These are some of the chemicals and one of the antibiotics which can be used to control the disease, bacterial blight of pomegranate. Thank you.